Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to change your iPhone ringtone to any sound or song. So this is really simple because Apple has strict rules when it comes to setting ringtones and actually purchasing the songs. So artists will get paid when you actually purchase a song. So here's the way you actually do it. Go to your settings right here and then scroll down until you find your sound and haptics. From there, you will find your ringtone right here and then right here go to Tone Store or your download all purchase tones. So if you already have purchase tones from your previous phone and you just want to set it right here, you can press this button. But if you don't have, it will redirect you to iTunes basically, and you can choose some tones. So you can choose some ringtones right here, or you can choose songs. So of course, they cost around 95 cents each. So right here, or 90 cents each basically. So let's just say I want a song such as Seven Rings right here. So all you have to do is purchase this right here, and then you will own this as a song itself already in your Apple iTunes, and you can also get it as a tone and set it as a ringtone from here. So you can check the charts if you want to right here with the best chart. So you got Despicable Me with the Peep Peep and 90 cents. You can buy this. So it's really cheap and you can just get it right here. So it's just that simple to change your iPhone ringtone to any song and sound. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.